action. David Smith here with yet one more flipped classroom math video. Today's topic, the problem statement. Remember, you're working on your POW report for the How Much for Broken Eggs problem of the week. Just to review, the farmer is taking her eggs to market. Her cart crashes. All the eggs are spilled, they all break. She has insurance because she's a smart farmer. So she goes to her agent, and the agent says, as you might guess, well, how many eggs did you have? So of course, she's got to tell him how many eggs so she can get the money to pay for those eggs. Problem is, she forgot. So she does remember a couple things. When she grouped the eggs in groups of 2, there was always one left over. When she grouped them in groups of 3, there was also just one left over. In fact, groups of 4, 5, and 6 all produced the same result, just one egg left over. But here's the magic part. When she grouped them in groups of 7, there were no eggs left over. So that's the problem. The problem statement is the first section of your report. This is where you state the problem. You want to state it in your own words, so read the material that describes the problem and summarize the problem in your own words. You want to explain the stuff that I just went over with you. Second point, the problem statement must be clear enough to be understood by a peer. So imagine somebody else, your age, taking this class, but they haven't seen this problem of the week yet. Your problem statement, as you write it, would need to help them understand exactly what the problem is and what you're being asked to do. The second section of the report is called the process. And basically, the process is, what did you do to solve this problem? List the steps you took. These can be math things and non-math things. For example, you could say, well, we read the problem from the book to make sure we understood. You could say, my partner and I worked on it together and we tried different ideas to see if we could together solve it. You could say, I thought about this problem while I was outside exercising. Anything you did to help you solve the problem, put it there. Second thing you want to include in there is stuff that didn't work. So you might have tried something, maybe even tried it for an hour, but it didn't work. Go ahead and mention that in your process statement. Also, if you got help, like another student helped you see the solution, or you came to your teacher and your teacher gave you a hint or gently pushed you in the right direction, mention those things as well. Well, that's nice. This video is actually pretty short. I think it's going to come in at less than 4 minutes. But guess what? If you're in my class, you're not done yet. Next class, what I'd like to have you bring in to show me is a draft of the problem statement and the process. You should be able to write a complete problem statement at this point because we have explored all the aspects of what the problem is, just not the solution yet. Your process will evolve as you continue to work on the POW. But right now, undoubtedly, there are several things you can add to your process. So get a start on that. Finally, a word of wisdom. Use a word processor. In my class, we use Google Docs. Go ahead and start up a blank Google Doc. Give it a title, put your name there, and start with a heading of problem statement. Write your problem statement, then do a heading of process. Write your process. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like down below. You can also subscribe.